I've revealed the secret of ice cream shops. Just add a spoonful of this for the best homemade ice cream. In a container, let's start by adding 500 milliliters of water. Next, add a packet of juice mix. I'm using strawberry flavor here. Now, let's mix everything together well. Then I'll add a 395 g can of condensed milk. I'll also add 200 g of cream and we'll mix again. After mixing, freeze it until it's partially crystallized. It shouldn't be too hard. Transfer it to a mixer and add a tablespoon of emulsifier. Now beat it well until it dissolves and triples in size. This, folks, is the perfect consistency. Once done, turn off the mixer. Remove it and put it in your preferred container or this one. I transferred it to an ice cream tub. Look at that amazing texture. Just freeze it until it hardens. Now everyone, it's time to enjoy. See how incredible this ice cream turns out? It's super quick, easy, and delicious. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. That was another quick recipe from Pop de Minha Cozinha, sending you a big hug. See you next time, and thanks.